An AI agent with database credentials will happily query a table that was deprecated last quarter and hand you a confident, wrong answer. It doesn't know what your data engineers know. That knowledge already exists. It's in your catalog. So we put DataHub in front of the agent. Before it touches any table, it asks the catalog what it should have known. This one is deprecated. The agent is stopped and told who owns it, but a block that only says no is a dead end, so it also says where to go instead. User events v2, high confidence, because a human wrote that into the deprecation note. Here nobody wrote anything down, so the successor is inferred from lineage, and the confidence drops to medium, and it says why. An inference shouldn't borrow the authority of a human statement. And when there's nothing to go on, it says nothing. Guessing here would be worse than silence. Permitted isn't the same as unremarkable. A HIPAA table read with DLP scanning on is allowed and still recorded. A governance layer that logs nothing when it says yes has no audit trail. None of this is hard-coded. The rules live in a versioned policy file that needs review to change. The governance policy is itself governed. Every block and every violation goes back into DataHub as a tag. The catalog decides what the agent may touch and records what it did.
Everyone ships LLM agents. Almost nobody can tell you what they cost, when they fail, or if they leaked data. LLMI closes that loop, on Splunk. It's bidirectional. The agent streams telemetry into Splunk, and Splunk's anomaly detection feeds back to reconfigure the agent automatically. This is real Splunk, index MCP agents, last 24 hours. Total LLM spend, call volume, cache hit rate, DLP violations. Cost and routing broken down by model, all from our HEC telemetry. Here's the closed loop, made visible. Splunk detected an error rate spike and a latency spike, and remediation triggered is true. The agent reweighted its own model router at runtime. No human in the loop. The Control Center, a one-click public demo, no setup. Mission Control shows live agent health at a glance. AI Agent Lab, ask in natural language. Splunk and Supabase are MCP tools, the agent translates to SPL and answers. And new, DataHub guardrails. Before touching data, the agent checks the context graph. This deprecated dataset is blocked, with the owner to contact. And every DLP violation is written back to DataHub as a tag. Metadata in, governance out.